Hello everyone, it's Final Trading, and today I'm going to show you how we could anticipate market pump. So as you could know everyone, market pumps are at the limit of legality, but it's uses sometimes on big market exchange, and especially Binance.com, cryptocurrency exchange that allow market pressure and depressure. So that's good in a way and bad in another way. There is the two options. You have to see it from your way. I can't tell you. So I'm just here to show you how you could predict market pump. So we are the January 18 of 2018, and TNT is 1615. So I make a call on my cryptocurrency trading channel. I tell you that you should buy it before 1638 and to hold it before it pump. It's going to pump, guys. You must see it from your eyes. Just register to my Telegram channel and you would see this from your own eyes, and there is great content here. So okay, market Binance. So TNT reach cross. I tell you that you should hold it for a long time. Then it scroll up far to 90-100. Then it scroll back to the same price as we bought it. It's a pyramid, and here we could see depreciation, and here there is the monarch ascension, and then oof, ultra pump, supra mega pump. So I did predict this pump for you, and because I did see the market. This was a new listing on Binance, and every new listing deserves their pump. But as you can know, after every pump there is a depreciation, and it scrolls back down. So you must hold it and don't hold it. So that's all for today. I will explain you more precisely how you could predict it in my Telegram trading channel. So just register and trade crypto to make a decentralized world. See you soon, guys.